Hello friends, welcome back to Miya's Spice World. Today we will be making Bajra or Dosa. It is also called as pearl millet in English. These doshas are not only crispy and tasty, but they are also very healthy. They have good amount of proteins, carbs and minerals. This is an ideal meal for those with health issues like diabetes or for those who want to lose weight. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and also hit the bell button for latest notifications. Do watch this video till the end. So, let's get started with the recipe. Here, I have taken 2 cups of Bajra or pearl millet, half cup whole urad dal, 1 teaspoon methi or fenugreek seeds, half cup poha or beaten rice. Wash urad dal in clean water until water runs clear. Then wash Bajra 2 to 3 times in clean water. Soak them in separate bowls for 6 to 8 hours or overnight. Before grinding, soak the poha for 15 to 20 minutes. Drain the water from urad dal and grind it in a blender along with some water. Blend it until smooth. Now add the drained bajra into the blender and blend it with some water. I have grinded bajra in 2 batches as my jar is small. In the second batch, I have added the soaked poha along with the remaining bajra for blending. Transfer the batter into a large bowl for fermentation. Add a teaspoon of salt and mix the batter with hand for better aeration. Batter should be of dosa batter consistency. It should neither be too thick nor too thin, else the batter will not ferment as desired. Cover and set aside in a warm place for 6 to 8 hours. After fermentation, mix well and bring the batter to a pouring consistency. If needed, you may add little water. Now heat the dosha tawa and make regular doshas. Drizzle oil or ghee if needed. Cook in medium flame for 2 minutes. Then flip the dosha and continue to cook for a minute. Remove the dosha from the tawa and serve it hot. Our crispy, tasty and healthy millet dosha is ready to be served. Enjoy it with hot sambar and your favorite chutney. Do try this recipe and give your feedback. This will keep us motivated to bring more such videos. Also, like this video and share with your friends. Meet you soon with another interesting recipe. Until then, keep smiling and stay safe.